discount Boothno Pastoral Company, Larapinta, Molong, offering 470 store lambs on Auctions Plus 13th of March at 1 p.m. These lambs have 1 foot on the till and weigh an average weight of 44 kilos. They will be perfect lambs to finish on lucerne and or grain. They are July-August drop lambs and they were shorn back in the second week of January. They were shorn very well and they present with approximately 10 mils of wool. They have a weight range of 38 to 55 kilos, with 90% of them being in 2-score condition or better. They are out of large frame, Western bred, Dooney Cross Merino ewes and are by Pole Dorset and White Suffolk sires. These lambs would not take much to finish and would be a great short-term proposition.